Hello everyone, greetings and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I'm Parishmita Chatterjee and I'm back with another very interesting video on lessons that we learn from Bollywood. Well, in today's fast-paced world, OTT forms a very important part of our entertainment. And recently, two of the web series that are being released all over India is making a lot of news. One, Panchayat, and number two, obviously, Kota Factory. And to start with, I am a huge fan of our very own Jitu Bhaiya. The way he delivers his acting seamlessly is something worth praising. Now, I have already spoken about Panchayat once in one of my previous videos, but today I want to highlight a very important part of it. In Panchayat, we have seen that how simplicity is so valuable in life. If you watch all the 3 seasons of Panchayat one after the other, you can easily understand that the protagonist over there, Sachiv ji, he was not at all fond of the place. Rather, he was extremely frustrated. But towards the end of the second season, when he was asked to leave, he was given the transfer order, he was so upset about it. Though he could not speak about it to people or his friends. Why? Because they would not understand his emotion. What was it all about? It was about attachment to simplicity. It was about the simple love that he got from the people of Fulera. They were so cordial to him, even when sometimes he lost his patience. He only got love from people and he could not forget that. So that was basically pulling him back to Fulera. So in our life also, when we are empathetic to someone, when we give love to someone, we also can expect the same from that person. And actually, you get love back from that person. So never forget to be empathetic, never forget to be emotionally attached to people, because it's nothing bad, but it is good. The second thing about Kota Factory is, well, I'm still midway. I have not completed watching it yet, busy schedule and all. But towards the beginning, there was this one line by Jitu Bhaiya which really caught my attention. That is, we should not only celebrate success, but we should also celebrate the journey. My God, can you understand the depth of this? There are thousands of people around the world who are regularly striving to achieve something. But how many can achieve it at the end? And what do? We tag those people who cannot achieve their goals as failures. Can you understand the level of frustration that they go through? After giving so much of effort, they cannot achieve what they have achieved. We should at least pat their back and encourage them. Remember, in one of my previous videos, I have said how to build resilience, where accepting failure is also a very important step. So this is a message for not only parents, but friends and families. Please, when your child, your friend, or anyone around you is trying to achieve something and is failing to achieve that, don't disregard the hard work that they have put in. Celebrate that. Make them feel proud about what they have tried for. Then you will see you can build resilience in the next generation, or you can build more resilient people around you. That way, suicidal rates will decrease. It's a very grave message and I hope you understand the importance of it. I come with more such interesting videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and I'm sure you wait for them. Till my next video, keep on learning and stay good. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.